What's going on, guys? In today's completely free course, I'm going to show you how to start and build a profitable email marketing list in 2021 and beyond from scratch for complete beginners. Now, this is going to be a step-by-step, A to Z, uncensored, completely free tutorial / course, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know to go and build your own profitable email list in your online business. Now, why is this video the best for you in 2021? I've built multiple email lists to over 100,000, 200,000, 500,000, 600,000. And not only that, I've used those email marketing leads to earn income in both my affiliate marketing businesses, my digital information product businesses. I've also used them to promote my YouTube videos and make money through AdSense. I use my email list every single day to build my income online and build my business and brand. And if you're not using email marketing right now in your business, you're leaving money on the table, and you should definitely start an email marketing campaign or list right now so you can start making money online with your business, or so you can start making more money online. Now, these are some of the benefits of email marketing. You can completely automate your online business. You can build a customer list that you actually own. So like if you have an Instagram profile or a YouTube channel, you don't actually own those subscribers or followers. You could lose those accounts at any time. At least when you actually have an email list, you own that. You can take those contacts wherever you want, and that you have more control over that email list. You can maximize income through repeat customers. Like you can go and do discounts, Black Friday deals. You can sell more products to the same people. You can get repeat customers over and over again to maximize your profits online. And the more you grow your list, the more money you make. That's a pretty obvious one, but a lot of people don't actually realize you can grow an entire business off an email list. If you keep growing it bigger and bigger and bigger, you make more money with that list. And you also build a loyal list of buyers, customers, followers, fans, and you can send them anything you like and keep them up to date with what's going on in your business. And that's how you keep people interested in what you have to offer online. Now, this is a completely 100% free tutorial for you to watch right now. I have no course to sell you in this video. You can watch this video from start to end, completely free, and I will show you exactly how to start your own profitable email list online. And what you're going to be learning is the best email marketing program for beginners to use, how to set up full automation, how to build your list, how to send emails instantly to your list, how to use the bait system to get leads, how to get people to open your emails, and much, much more. Now, quickly, before we jump into this free tutorial and course, we need to do the free giveaway. The winners from the last giveaway are in the pinned comment down below. Now, if you want to win access to all of my courses, we choose a winner in every single video. All you've got to do is smash that like button, and just smash that like button anyway, because it's a completely free video and we want as many people to see this as possible. So smash that like button for the algorithm and also for the giveaway. Once you've smashed that like button, write in the comment section, I love email marketing because, or something similar to that, and we will choose a comment from this video in the next video, and maybe you can win access to every single one of my courses. So now let's jump into this free course, and I'm going to show you exactly how to build a profitable email marketing list in this email marketing tutorial. All right, guys, so the first step to actually doing this before you do anything else is finding the right email marketing system. So you're going to need an email marketing system that you can use to collect emails and set up your automation and everything like that. Now, I'm going to show you 3 that you can use. So this one is called GetResponse.com. This one is called ActiveCampaign.com. And this one is called ConvertKit.com. These are ones that I recommend. However, the one that I recommend the most is GetResponse. And the reason I do recommend this the most is because I've been using this for over 6 years now. But not only that, it really is the best for beginners. This one is the best for beginners. It offers the most features. It offers full-on automation that's simple and easy to set up. And it gives you everything you need to get started. So they offer things like email marketing. You can actually build funnels, some landing pages. You can run webinars. You can do push notifications. You can even connect this to your paid advertising if you like. You can really do everything that you need to do within your business. And not only that, GetResponse has 24/7 live chat support. So if you have any issues, you can contact them on there once you sign in, and it's live support, and they'll get back to you within a few seconds. And every single time they have helped me with anything that I have questions to ask them, and I've never had any issues with support. So, I can recommend all of these other programs as well, which is fine, but I've used them in the past, and the reason I've gone back to GetResponse is because it served me well, and it really is the best for me in my business. So this is the program that I recommend for all of your email automation. And if you don't want to use that one, probably ActiveCampaign and ConvertKit are some of the other ones that are recommended by people as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly show you the pricing plans for this. Now keep in mind that GetResponse has a 30-day free trial, okay? You don't have to put in your credit card or anything like that. You can literally download it right now. There's a link in the description, and you can use this for 30 days without paying them any money, and you don't have to put in your credit card, and you can cancel it anytime. Now, this is actually quite cheap. So they charge $15 per month for a list of 1,000. Okay, which is pretty good. You should easily be making $15 per month from your list of 1,000 to cover your expenses, or this one $49, or this one $99. But you will need to use something like this. It's very important, because otherwise you can't do any online email marketing. It's extremely difficult to do. Now, once you actually have this and you've signed up, I'm going to show you some quick things that you need to do to get set up before you actually start sending emails, okay? So the first step is, once you've signed in, you're going to have a page like this, and you'll have some stuff here, probably nothing like this, but you'll have some stuff here. You want to go to your account here, and you want to go to Manage Account. This is the first thing you want to do, and you want to go to Email Addresses. And you actually want to go and put in the email addresses that you plan to send emails from. This is really important. You need to do this, otherwise you can't send emails. So go ahead and add the email that you want to send emails from. So what this means is, when you send an email, it's going to be from that specific email. Now the next step is, you want to click on account details, and you want to put in your email, your address. So this could be your office address, or your home address, or whatever. You need to put something in this so it shows up at the bottom of your emails. This is a legal requirement for spam regulations, so make sure you actually do this. Once you've got this set up, then you're ready to actually go out and start creating an email list and starting to actually collect emails. So what I want to actually do to show you how to collect emails is, I want to show you two types of ways that you can actually do this, and you might be very familiar with both of these ways. So the first way, and we're actually going to talk about this later on in this video, is you can actually set up pages like this, where you can collect an email by someone giving you an email in here, and they can click this button and you would collect their email. But before we actually move on to this type of opt-in form, this is called an opt-in form, I want to actually talk about how you can go out and collect emails from your blog or website, because I do know that a lot of people actually use the blogs and websites as their main traffic source. So as you can see, I have an email box down here where I give away a free book, and I collect an email. Now, the reason why I'm giving away this free book is, this is called the bait. So I want to give away a free book, a free video, a free course, a free workshop, a free webinar. I want to give away something for free. So these guys can actually put their email in, and then I get the email and they get something for free. Not only that, if I try to exit this page, it won't pop up. There's one that pops up. But if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, there's another one that comes in down here where I give away my free book again. And I'm also, so it says free book. And I'm also getting their email details down here. And then when they click this, they get sent the guide. So what I'm going to do is take you through the steps of actually going out and doing this one first, in case you have a blog or website that you want to go out and collect emails from. Now, the best step is to always give away a free book or a free course or something for free, a free check sheet that you can create really, really quickly, because you're going to get way higher conversion rates. You can use websites like this one here, which is called idplr.com, and you can actually go and get free books that you can use to give away. Or you can actually get some paid ones as well, some paid courses that you can use legally to give away to collect emails. It's really important that you do this, otherwise you're not going to get good conversion rates, because if you say something down here like, hey, give us your email, we want to send you things, it's not as inviting as, hey, get our free guide or get our free course. So it's very important that you actually do that. Now, how do we go and create these types of things? So we actually create this one here and this one here and pop-ups with one simple plugin for our website. And that plugin is called Thrive Suite. Now, this used to be called Thrive Leads, but now it's called Thrive Suite because you get everything included. So I'll actually show you down here. I think this is like $60 or something. Now, you do have to use tools if you want to do this properly. So with this particular platform, this plugin, you can do pop-up emails, you can do banners at the top, you can do banners in the content, you can do pop-ups in the middle of the page, you can do the corner ones like I just showed you, you can do ones on the sidebar, you can do full page pop-ups, you can do scroll mats, which are good, you can do all of these crazy things to collect emails. Not only that, these guys have a landing page builder where you can actually create ones that look like this as well. And they have everything that you need to go out and create beautiful email pop-ups and banners on your blog and website. So I'll leave a link for this below. You can go ahead and download it. So it's actually $19 per month, and you get access to, you can install it on 25 websites, unlimited support, unlimited updates, 30-day money-back guarantee. Once you do that, sign into your blog, and you want to go to the plugin section, and they're going to give you something called the product manager. Okay, so I've actually installed the product manager on my blog already, and you can go ahead and install the specific products that you've got with them. Okay, so here I've got Thrive Leads installed, Clever Widgets, and if I want to install this one, I just click Install Product and then Install Selected Products. Okay, they'll give you tutorials on how you can do all of that if you don't know how to do that. Now, the next step is to actually click on the Thrive dashboard. So once you're on here, guys, you'll see your products that are installed. You want to go down and you want to go to API connections and you want to go manage connections. And you want to connect your email marketing service, whatever one you're using, whether it's GetResponse or something else. You have GetResponse here. You want to actually go and connect that to Thrive, your Thrive plugin. So you go add new connection and you simply choose the one you want. So mine is GetResponse. Now I've actually already connected it, so it's probably not here. No. Now, all you do is with GetResponse, okay, so if I edit this, you just get what we call the API key and then go connect. So to get the API key, all you do is you go into here and I haven't done it for a while. So to get the API key, you go to menu and you go to integrations and API. And you simply go to API and you copy the API address and you go and put it into the connection for GetResponse, and that's all you do. And now it's connected, so you can actually go out and you can start connecting it to your email marketing forms. I'm going to go back to the Thrive dashboard, and I'm going to go to Thrive Leads. Now, what I've done, guys, is I've actually created this page right here that we can use for a test. Okay, so this is a page on my website. Now, this isn't a tutorial on how to create a website or anything like that. I can leave one of those below if you like. This is a tutorial on, we're just actually playing with this right now, so that's why like some of the words are a mess and because we're editing a lot of things. But you can actually go and see some videos below on how to create a blog. Now, when you go to Thrive Leads here, you can have all of this stuff here that doesn't really mean much to you. I've got all of these things called short codes. But if I go down here, I've got what we call Lightbox, Ribbon, and Slide In. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new lead group, okay? I'm going to name this Test YouTube. We're going to go Add Lead Group. What this has done is this has created so we'll just ignore this one because this is the one that I'm running now. But this one here, now if you click Settings, you can go and put it on the front page. You can do all post. You can put it on whatever page you want, but I'm going to go to Post. And I'm going to put in my test page. And this is it here. And I'm going to specifically put these things on the test page. I'm going to click Save and Close. Okay. And then what I can actually do now is I can go add a new type of opt-in form. And I can do in content, lightbox, post footer, a ribbon. I can do slide in, widget. I can do a screen filler. I can do all sorts of stuff right here. So why don't I do a lightbox? And I'm not going to show you every single one, but I'll do a lightbox and I'll show you how easy it is to set this up. Okay, so I'm going to go lightbox. And I'm going to go to add over here. And I'm going to go create a form. And I'm going to go and just put any name here and create this form. Okay. Now I'm actually going to go to, there's a few things that I want to do here. So display immediately on the page. I want to change this to what we call exit intent and click OK, I'll save. And you don't want to have these turned on mobile. And then leave everything as it is and go to edit. And I'm not going to show you how to change the design or anything like that. What I'm going to actually do is to show you how to simply set this up, okay? Because this isn't really about the design and stuff. You would edit it and change whatever you like. But as you can see, we've got all of these types of templates that we can go ahead and use to go and collect emails, okay? They've got all of these templates here. I love all of these templates. Here's a really simple one that I like. So I'm going to click this one here and go choose template. And you'll see that I have this template set up and I can change like anything I want. I can change the size of this text. I can change the text. I can really do whatever I want here. Okay, I can change the image and all of the options are here. There's so many options that you can actually go through. But more importantly, what I can do is I can start to connect this to my email system. And you want to go to create a list. And I'm going to name this testing YouTube. Okay, just for the sake of this video, and go to create. Oh, we can't have a space and we can't have capital letters. I forgot about that. Okay, testing YouTube, and go to create. And then I have a list that is now being created. So I want to go back to my lightbox and I want to click on this here. And then I want to go to add connection. Okay, add connection, and then go to get response. And then I'm just going to refresh it. And then I'm going to go and add the one that I just created. Okay, so I've added testing YouTube. You want to have cycle day 0 and go apply. Okay, and then click save work. Now this should when someone gives me their email, it should actually go in. I just want to change this line height. It should automatically go into the list that I've created. Okay, so let me go save like I just did. And then what I want to do is actually preview the page here. I just want to actually check the settings first. So go back to the settings, check everything, go back to Thrive Leads. Got to make sure it's turned on, which it's probably not. Yeah, so you want to turn it on here. You've got display on desktop and display on mobile. You generally don't want to have these turned on mobile because Google doesn't like it. I'm just going to clear my cache here. And I'm going to take this page and I'm going to put it into a new browser because I don't think it'll pop up here. All right, so here's my test page. And if I actually try to leave the page, you'll see that it says sign up below here. And what I can do is put in my details and then it would add those people to the email list. Really simple to do. It's quite easy. And then you can either redirect them to another page or you can just refresh this page and it'll say, hey, you successfully joined and go get the book. Now you might be asking, how do you go out and send emails to these people automatically without actually doing anything? So it's pretty easy to set up. What you want to do, the first thing actually what I want to show you is if you want to redirect people to a different page, after they put in their email, you put that URL here, okay? If you want to do that, it's up to you. So the next step is you want to actually go back to here and you want to go to menu and automation, okay? And I'll quickly show you one of my automations and then I'll show you how to set up an automation quickly right now. So here is, let me just find one. Here's one of my automations here. And essentially what happens is people this one isn't working anymore. We're not doing this webinar, but people come in via the list at the page, and they go and get these emails that we can send out automatically for the rest of our lives, and we don't have to touch anything once this is set up. It's extremely simple and easy to do. And GetResponse has tutorials and training on how you can set all of this up. But what I want to do is show you how to set it up quickly in this tutorial to show you exactly what you can do from scratch, okay? So the first thing you need to do is click automation messages, and this is how you create the emails for the automation, okay? So I'm going to go create automation message and go take me to the new email creator because I have a new one. And I'm just going to name this test YouTube book. And in the subject line, free book, download now, or something that gets people to open, okay? And then all I do is I go and create my design. And then I go to blank templates and then go to here. And then I simply just drag in some text. So I get rid of the logo by clicking the logo and go get rid of the logo. And I go to layout and I drag in some text. And you can simply add your text to say, hey, download free book here. And you can put a link to your book by clicking this here. Okay, and you can put it on Google Drive or something like that. Now, something that I want to tell you is how to get better open rates on your emails so people actually open your emails, to not use money symbols or the word money or investment or anything like that, Bitcoin and stuff, because these will stop you, these will make your emails go to spam. So if I want to say money stuff, I'll say, hey, 1K or $200, right? You want to use stuff that doesn't involve money. Okay, so anyway, this is a quick email that you would go and create, and then you would simply go to next. If you don't know how to create emails, it's really simple. It really depends on what you want to do there. And then you go to save and finish. Now, the next step is quite important on how to set up the automation. You want to go back to workflows. And what you want to do is you want to go create a workflow. Okay, pretty simple to do this. Go to build from scratch because they don't have very good ones set up. Usually you got to change them. And then you can name it. So I'm naming this test YouTube. And then subscribers, okay? And then you want to click here and go to specific on the right here, and then then find your list, okay? I think it was testing YouTube. So that's my list, okay? And then I go down to here and I go send message. And I'm going to send the message instantly for the free book. So I'm going to go automation and then test YouTube book. And this is the book. And then I'm going to put a wait block here of 1 day. And then you can keep adding more stuff and you can keep sending them more messages. You just go and create more messages in the automation section, right? So that's what you keep doing to build it out and build it out over time. And that's how you automatically send things out to people after they've given you their email address, okay? And I'm just going to go save and publish. And that's the automation. Oh, okay, I got to get rid of this. And that's the automation system in a nutshell. You can go and set up how to go and send out these emails. Now, once you actually build your email list, send out your emails. Now you can also go and send emails as a one-off email. But first, before we do that, I want to actually show you how you can actually go up and set up a quick page like this using the same software. Now, to do this, you can actually use something called ClickFunnels if you like. If you don't have a website, you can do the exact same thing with ClickFunnels. But in this video, I'll show you how to do it with this particular website, okay? So I'm going to go to my dashboard, and essentially all you do is you install the Thrive suite again, or you've got it installed. And what you want to do is you want to make sure you have the Thrive Architect plugin installed, okay? And then you go to pages on your website. And what I'm going to do is create a new page, okay? And I'm going to name this whatever, save as draft. And and I'm going to go to Launch Thrive Architect, okay? And essentially it works the exact same way, but you're creating a single page. I haven't got it up. A single page where you can collect emails, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a pre-built landing page. And I'm going to go to, they should have some email ones somewhere, legacy landing pages. They usually have them in here. I'll just let them load and I'll come back. All right, so if you click on this one here, it expands it into different types of pages. There's heaps of different types you can do, but I'm just going to click this one here in the middle and go to Apply Template. Okay, and all I've got to do is follow the exact same steps to connect all of this together. So I click on here and I go to Add Connection and I do the exact same thing, okay? And I add the connection and apply, and then I can do the redirect URL. And I do the exact same thing, and I can edit all of this stuff and edit all of this, right? And I can click Save, and I can actually preview this. And now I have a separate page where I can go and collect emails from in my business on my blog or website. Or if you don't have a blog or website, you can simply go and use something like Thrive Funnels. But what you need to not get confused with, right, is Thrive Leads creates these types of things on your blog post to pop up, but Thrive Architect creates these single pages that you can go and send traffic to. So it's very important that you understand the differences between those two functions. Okay, now let's say you've actually built an email list and you want to go and send one simple email to that list. Okay, you've got your automation flow going, you're collecting emails and everything's kind of running along smoothly. You've got yourself a little email list together. Let me just go back to where I was. Okay, I don't know what's happening here. You got your little email list going, everything's running smoothly, and you want to go and send emails. This is what you do. You go to the menu and you go to email marketing, and then you go to newsletters and you go create a new newsletter and then take me to the email editor. And all you do is you follow the exact same steps. You put in your subject line, you put in your design, but you add your list, okay? So let's say I want to send an email list to this people here. I go add. And then I go and send that list to people. Now, I don't actually have, yes, I need to actually go and create the design. But once you go and actually do that, and the good thing about GetResponse, guys, is they've got all of these pre-designed templates that you can use to send to your list. So if you're like, hey, I've got a sale on a product this weekend, you can literally go and get one of these lists, right? One of these things right here, set it up, and send it to your list, okay? Easy, simple, like here we go, 40% spring sale if you've got a sale coming up. I use these like my Black Friday deals and stuff like that. But that's how you go and send an email to your list. You just choose it from here. But remember, this is separate from actually the automation and stuff. This is sending out to people to your list who have already actually gone through your automation. So guys, that is the easiest way to go and set up email marketing in your business, and how you can go and collect emails from your blog, or how you can go and create a landing page to collect emails. And you want to make sure you give away a free book. This is extremely important. If you don't have a website, you can use something like ClickFunnels to go and create these as well. But in my opinion, I think that GetResponse is the best one you can use, and you can actually create sign up forms with GetResponse as well, but that's very, very limited, and it's not as easy to use, and you just have a lot of limitations. So I would recommend using something like Thrive to actually go out and collect emails from your blog or website. Now, if you want some more tutorials on how you can make money online, I will leave those up on the screen right now. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button. Any comments, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.